2. I like to call it the tucked in hijab style. I will be using this luxury chiffon hijab from Wall Chic. These are absolutely gorgeous because they're really silky and flowy, and they just look gorgeous for special occasions. So this style is very similar to the first style, except you're adding one small extra step, which has changed the look completely. So I do place this over my head the same way I do the first style. So I like to put it over my head with one short side, one long side. Oop. Make sure when you're wearing your hijab, you're wearing it on the side with the actual tag, so that when you tuck that part in, it won't even show. So I'm going to change that up. So place the scarf over your head, short side and long side. You're going to do the same thing as the first hijab style. So we have it pinned on all three sides, which is really important for these scarves because they do have a slippy texture. So from here, we're going to take our long side, which is our tail, and we're going to bring it around our neck, over our shoulder, just like that. And then with this piece hanging, we're going to tuck that to the back, in the back of our shirt. So now that we have that tucked in, our tucked in hijab style is complete. This is perfect if you're wearing a shirt where you want to show off whatever is on the shirt, whether it's patterns or ruffles or buttons. It definitely will make it stand out because your hijab is nicely tucked away. It's also perfect if you're a mama and you are running after kids and don't need any of that extra hanging fabric or fabric that they'll end up tugging on and removing off your head. So this is a perfect, suitable